Today on Rico's Garage, we're going to show you somebody that's really good at what they do. So it's not going to be me. Recently, we decided the former Rico's Garage World headquarters needed to be torn down. Now, I've shown you that in previous videos, such as the Will It Start Camaro. And it was getting to the point where it just needed to go. Fortunately for me, I have some things to make that quite a bit easier. My day job is a mechanic for an excavating company, and we have some really nice equipment that they don't mind us using on the weekends. And also fortunate enough for this company has one of the best operators around, bar none. So I was able to coordinate to get both the excavator and that awesome operator here on the same weekend. And I videotaped all of it and then got busy and forgot that I'd actually videotaped it. So I ran across this footage and thought, why not? Let's put it out there. We haven't done a video on this channel in a while. Everybody really enjoys watching heavy equipment work when you have a good operator, and we had that. So here you go. We have the demolition of the former Rico's Garage World headquarters. I'm going to get back to what I do working on these projects. We're going to let Johnny do what he does with the excavator, and most importantly, you keep doing what you're doing. Thank you for watching the videos. Hit the like button if you enjoy seeing this kind of stuff. Drop a comment down below if you care to. And if you want to watch any other stuff that's coming up later in the year, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later.